In a groundbreaking collaboration between Google DeepMind and Stanford University, a team of innovative minds has unveiled Mobile Aloha, a robot that promises to reshape the robotics industry. This video will show you the remarkable capabilities of Mobile Aloha. Stay tuned because I am going to be unveiling the secret and the technology behind this human-like robot. Without any doubt, Mobile Aloha is indeed a breakthrough in the evolution of robotic technology. With a remarkable capacity for executing intricate tasks with human-like dexterity, this robot is gaining attention for its ability to cook a three-course meal autonomously. Mobile Aloha was achieved by a collaborative effort between Google DeepMind and Stanford University. Unlike any other robot, Mobile Aloha has gone beyond the realm of traditional robots, which often struggle with tasks requiring human-like dexterity. Mobile Aloha's ability to handle delicate tasks like cooking shrimp and manipulating kitchen tools showcases a level of elegance that sets it apart. One of the standout features of Mobile Aloha is its cooking expertise. In a demonstration, the robot showcased its ability to prepare a three-course meal with impressive precision. The demonstration showcased a level of dexterity in Mobile Aloha that defies preconceived notions about robots' capabilities. The robot's movements closely mimic those of a human, setting a new standard for achievements in robotics. Whether it's delicately cracking eggs with one hand while simultaneously stirring a bowl or effortlessly navigating intricate kitchen tasks, Mobile Aloha's finesse is truly extraordinary. Beyond its ability to prepare meals, move around, and handle objects precisely, opens doors for logistics, healthcare applications, and more. Mobile Aloha extends into various industries. The significance of Mobile Aloha lies in its groundbreaking capabilities, showcasing the potential for robots to revolutionize various industries and become indispensable in everyday tasks, transcending traditional boundaries of human capabilities. Mobile Aloha departs from the typical humanoid robot design by incorporating a unique two-claw structure reminiscent of a crab. This inventive design questions the notion that effective interaction with the environment necessitates an exact mimicry of human anatomy. The robot's flexibility in handling diverse tasks serves as evidence in reshaping perceptions of what to expect from humanoid robot configurations. The introduction of Mobile Aloha extends beyond a mere showcase of technical skills. It offers a preview of a future where robots seamlessly blend into our daily lives, improving efficiency and managing tasks once considered too intricate for automation. At the heart of Mobile Aloha lies the fundamental concept of imitation learning, wherein the robot observes and replicates human actions. Diverging from conventional robots limited to fixed tasks, Mobile Aloha is crafted for mobility, providing a broad range of capabilities. The team applied an advanced co-training system, merging insights from both stationary and mobile tasks, thereby amplifying the robot's flexibility. Mobile Aloha signifies a progression from the established Aloha system, amplifying its mobility and versatility. While Aloha showcased proficiency in table-based tasks, Mobile Aloha took a stride forward by encompassing full body control, enabling operations involving movement and engagement with the surroundings. This enhancement marks a transformative shift in the landscape of robotic capabilities. The implications of this research extend beyond the kitchen. The ability of Mobile Aloha to learn from diverse examples and adapt to different scenarios opens avenues for real-world applications. The combination of imitation learning and co-training sets a precedent for developing robots that can seamlessly integrate into dynamic environments, performing tasks beyond the limitations of static, single-task robots. Within the co-training framework, Mobile Aloha employs supervised behavior cloning. This involves the robot mimicking human actions through supervised learning. The robot learns by observing and imitating, gradually refining its performance based on the provided examples. This process enables Mobile Aloha to perform tasks autonomously with high accuracy. In conclusion, Mobile Aloha emerges as a beacon of advancement in the realm of robotic innovation, positioning itself at the vanguard of a future where the integration of robots becomes an integral part of our daily existence. Through its groundbreaking capabilities and remarkable adaptability, Mobile Aloha provides us with a tantalizing preview of a world where robots seamlessly assimilate into our lives, serving as trusted companions and invaluable assistants in various spheres. With mobile Aloha leading the charge, we catch a fleeting yet tantalizing glimpse into a future where the lines between human and machine blur, where robots seamlessly navigate our homes, workplaces, and public spaces, augmenting our capabilities and enhancing our quality of life. As we witness the potential of mobile Aloha to revolutionize industries and redefine the way we interact with technology, we are inspired to envision a world where robots coexist harmoniously with humanity, unlocking new possibilities and reshaping the very fabric of society.